That is so early, NFL. You are so early. You tested... Oh, actually, you tested right at 11. Okay, maybe you're not as early as I thought. Forgot that's on display mode.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WW59 listening area for the following marine locations. Eastern Daylight Time. This afternoon, southeast winds around 5 knots, becoming westerly. Bay and inland waters light dry. Tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northeast after midnight, becoming north this afternoon. Inland waters light tonight. Mostly cloudy in the evening. Then clearing to 5 knots. Lows in the mid-70s in the afternoon. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming east after midnight. Into showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. A slight Thursday night and west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Bay and inland waters light south an hour. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming...
WSRZ, you had to pull a weekly. Alright, I don't normally do this often, but when the weekly comes through, it's going to be a massive radio explosion. I have every radio I can turn on, including this. This thing is like way too loud though. It's normally on display mode. These two are quiet. Oh, here we go now. Here we go. Let's see. This didn't go off. This didn't go off, unfortunately.
Weekly test. These are the 5 key observations of the local waters for Wednesday for the WWTC at Fort Myers Page Field. With effect for the public warning and alarm transmitted to West Central Southwest Florida, originating from Western Florida. for the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Oh, there you go. Massive radio explosion. There you go. So, oh, this did go. No, it didn't. Actually, it's monitoring. It's on 500. That means WXQD3A somehow. Oh no, that didn't go off, unfortunately. And this has the alert reminder on. I have. And the ER50 didn't activate, unfortunately. Let me see what channel it's on. Actually, I think it might be on the wrong channel. Yeah, it's on channel 6. Yeah, should make sure of that next time. Anyway, that's that.